Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today in this video, I will tell you how to make a word, a, wal- a walking word in a microbyte. So if you wanna make a code in a microbyte, you can go to this link, this website. I will give you the link in the description, or maybe you can click in your laptop. Makecode.microbyte.org. And after that, if you want to make a new project, click this new project, and then after that, give the name of your project. Maybe for example, walking word. I'm sorry, I'm typo. Walking word. And after that, if you want to code, wait, I want to explain to you. This this code is looks like Scratch. If you ever watching my video about Scratch, you will know. This is the example of one of robotic. If you don't know what is Microbit, Microbit is one of embedded system. It's you can make you can call it by robot too. And then after that, we're gonna continue it. If you want to make a word walking, you can take this show string and then put it in on start, and then after that change the word. I will make the word like this: hello Andromeda. Okay, now after that we're gonna see it in this panel. This is the example of our microbyte. So but if we want to make this inside of our microbyte, this is our microbyte. I'm sorry, this is our microbyte. If we want to make it the code inside of this, just see my tutorial. Okay, now before the walking word is done, and then after that, if you want to make it, you need to have one of USB. This is the USB. This is include of the packet of microbyte. Wait, I wanna take the packet. This is include of this box too. So if you wanna enter the code, put this part in your laptop. After that, put the one inside of your microbyte, and this one. Okay, now put it and wait until the lamp already on. Or okay, now after that you can download your project. After you download your project, you can go to the file explorer, and then this is our project, and this is microbyte file. And then after that, drag your project and then put in the microbyte file. Wait a minute, this is the loading and copying item. Okay, that is done. I will show you. This is the result. He showed a string, and then the word is walking, right? Okay, and after that you're gonna stop. I'm sorry, you're gonna stop, and then after that, if you want to make it forever, just put that block in a forever block. Okay, maybe that's all for me. I'm sorry if I have a mistake. The last word I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.